Our top 5 best blenders to shake. One number product. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. 10 variable speeds allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. Layer coarse chops over smooth purees for heartier recipes, such as chunky sauces or thick vegetable soups. Radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. 2 number product. Oster BLSTTS Pro Blender with Texture. The innovative texture select settings of this Oster blender take the guesswork out of getting the perfect consistency from your blends. Texture select technology lets you choose your thickness, from creamy smoothies and chunky salsa, to fine soups and juices, and everything in between. This powerful Oster blender offers 1200 peak watts of blending power, a 6-point stainless steel blade design, and dual direction blade technology. 3 number product. Ninja Personal Blender for Shakes. The Ninja Fit combines multiple kitchen appliances in one easy-to-use, powerful and compact kitchen tool. With Ninja Pulse technology, it quickly creates smoothies, nutrient juices and so much more in 2 16-ounce Ninja cups that are perfect to take on the go. 4 number product. KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender. Designed for the perfect puree. This KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender features an 8" removable blending arm with 4-point stainless steel blade to blend everything from smoothies, to milkshakes, soups, sauces and so much more. It is easy to use with the variable speed trigger switch and includes a US patent pending removable pan guard to help protect your cookware. 5 number product. NutriBullet Touch Combo Blender. This blender's touchscreen display offers unique blending options whether using the pitcher or single-serve cups. Its one-touch programs, variable speeds, and powerful motor deliver professional results every time. Thanks for watching this video.